Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is staying fit in my 40s, today's workout and meals. So in this video, I'm going to show you some brief workout clips and then stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly what I ate on this day as well. So I had my workout on this day. I did strength training, which I do twice a week, and this was at 11 a.m. Now this day I did a little different than normal because I added some weights to my pull-ups. I generally don't use any weights most of the time. I just do pull-ups, push-ups. I do a lot of exercises with no added weights, but I sometimes switch it up. So I added a 25-pound weight, and I started my workout with a set of pull-ups, max reps, and then when I got too tired, I took off the weight vest and I did some just regular pull-ups. That was my first set. On my second set, I did push-ups, and then on my third set, you'll see I did a leg routine. So I take about 3 or 4 minutes rest in between sets, and then so I can have some recovery time before going on to the next move. So it was a pull-push leg, which is typical for me, and I'm just showing you one round here. I ended up doing 3 rounds, so it was a total of 9 sets. Typically I'll do 2 rounds, but today I did 3, just have a lot of energy, so I figured I might as well throw in an extra round. So that was the workout. As you could see here, for my push, I did Spider-Man push-ups on the first set. My second set, I just did regular push-ups, but on the first one I did the Spider-Man push-ups, and then you'll see the squats here in a moment. Now I generally do this workout twice a week on Monday and Thursday. And since I'm only doing a strength training workout twice a week, I give everything I got. I really fatigue the muscle. I go to failure and then beyond. That's all I really need to do. I don't think I need to strength train every day, but twice a week seems good for me when I push it to the limits that I do. And then on Tuesday and Friday, I'll generally do a cardio workout. And for the last probably 6 months or so, that's been a 3-mile run where I go pretty hard. I go 3 miles, but I go pretty hard. And several walks a day as well. But as far as actual hard workouts, I do the Monday and Thursday, Tuesday and Friday routine. Seems to work well for me. Here were the jump squats I did. And again, ended up doing 3 rounds of this. So this workout was 11 a.m., fasted, drank water throughout the morning. And then let me show you what I ended up eating on this day as well. Here we go. So at 1 p.m., I put together some nice cream. Now this had 3 or 4 dates. It had several bananas. I think I used like 6 bananas. They were frozen and ripe. So what I do is I wait till they're nice and ripe. I throw them in the freezer with the peel on, and then I soak them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes, and they come right out the peel, and it has a good consistency. Also had a few sticks of celery. So it was a dates, bananas, and celery nice cream. And again, this was at 1 p.m. The next step at 3 p.m., I put together some oatmeal. I had a large bowl of oats, rolled oats. There's about 2 servings there. I sliced up a banana. I had about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter there, and also put on a bowl of blueberries and a splash of almond milk. So this is one of my go-to oatmeal recipes. It's very filling, it's very delicious, very satiating. So I recommend that one to try that out. Very simple, only a few ingredients. There it is. And that was at 3 p.m. And then for dinner at 6 p.m., I started off with a can of this pineapple, Tropical Gold pineapple, and then I made burritos. These had rice, beans, lettuce, salsa, avocado, and hot sauce. And I had 2 of these, and then I had a burrito bowl. So quite a bit of the burrito and the burrito bowl. And that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. I have some delicious recipes there. It's in the description box. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.